We are now on the Raiganj bypass. So this is also newly done.
Absolutely. It's just been
Okay.
opened about a month back.
Okay, so it's been opened a month back. Obviously in pretty good condition, very good condition actually. And here we go. As you can see, we should try and hold it steady as much as possible so you can see it nicely. Beautiful road.
It has cut the journey time by about 90 minutes, I believe.
Ah, okay. Lovely. So we're going towards Siliguri and it's 180 kilometers.
Yeah, hopefully that won't take too long.
If the roads are like this, no.
Maximum 2 hours.
We'll beat Google.
We need to, otherwise we'll be checking in very late.
Yeah.